Okay, so we got the chickens nice and washed out. So now we're gonna fillet them to be able to put them through the, I guess they call them dredger. It's like the egg with, let's do it this way. Egg with the breadcrumbs and the flour. So this one, I need to flatten this one out pretty good. Kind of messed up that one. Next guy. Okay. A little bit more even. I wonder if I should do another one. Might do another one with this. We'll see. And yep, just kind of go through these. You're probably not gonna get perfect ones. I obviously didn't, especially the. I guess if you go to like a butcher shop or a meat market, you could tell them which pieces you want and get them all around the same size. These ones came out of a pack, so I got varying sizes. But yeah, so basically these ones right here, we're gonna pound these ones further. These ones don't need as much. Probably might leave them as is. I'll give them a couple whacks, but nothing, maybe less than this. Yeah, I'll probably do this one. Leave this guy alone. Leave this guy alone. And this guy alone. And then I'll work on these ones. For sure gonna get the whacking treatment. Let's see.